Andre. Next we have Drake Simon Adriel, grade 3, Optimism, performing his poem, 80 of Life.
80 years of life, 80 years of dreams so wide, of nations walking side by side, together through the joy and pain. We strive so peace and truth remain. The world we build is in our hands, true love that reaches all the lands. Development born from care and might, guided by human sacred rights. Let justice bloom like morning dew, for every child, for me and you. Our voices rise, our hearts unite, to guard what's fair, defend what's right. Whether together we shall say as dawn brings forth a brighter day, for when we love, protect, and give peace and hope shall always